am the founder of Karkhana.io. We are a custom manufacturing platform with a vision to digitalize manufacturing in India. Karkhana.io was actually started out of my own experience as an engineer building hardware products and out of my passion for solving very hard problems. My first encounter with manufacturing happened while building an electric race car at IIT Bombay as a student. And while a lot of people from my batch were busy organizing large cultural fests like Mood Indigo, I, with a bunch of other greasy geeks, was busy making rounds of a lot of small machine shops in and around Mumbai and trying to build a working prototype for this race car. After I graduated, I joined the supply chain team at one of the largest FMCG companies, P&G, and there I was given the task of finding reliable Indian suppliers who could manufacture high-precision machine parts that ran the production lines for sanitary napkins across India. I took up the challenge head-on, but failed miserably. Finding suppliers who could manufacture such technical products was like finding a needle in a haystack. Let me tell you why. This is Raj. He is a first-generation entrepreneur who owns a CNC machining factory in Pune and has been running it for the past 12 years. His factory gives an output of about 8 crores annually, and he has a particular niche of working on very specialized materials and producing very high precision parts, and works with a team of about 25 people. But during COVID, his capacity utilization reduced to half because of reduced demand from a few customers that he was serving. Now, Raj is a reflection of what 2 million other MSMEs in manufacturing in India look like. Most of them operate with almost 40% unutilized capacity, and lack of skilled manpower prevents them from further working with more new customers. So they stay limited to working with very few customers day in, day out. And further, lack of working capital also prevents them from taking up much larger orders. Now, be it bridging the demand to unutilized capacity, be it solving for manpower, or be it solving for working capital, what Raj needs is what 2 million other manufacturing MSMEs in India need. And that is what we are choosing to build for. So at Karkhana.io, what we are creating is a digital platform that allows manufacturing MSMEs to access demand from OEMs and technology companies, not only in India, but globally. The OEMs who work with us on our platform range from industries like electric mobility, consumer appliances, medical devices, drones, aerospace components, robotics, and they use the platform for sourcing and contract manufacturing of their products. We serve them by aggregating capacities of multiple manufacturing MSMEs across mechanical and electronics manufacturing capability. And when they partner with us, what they get access to is costing capability, capability matched to their capacity, tracking of various projects that we run on their machine shops, as well as quality control. And the thing is that what I like to highlight here is that we have not done this by just building a software technology. We have gone much beyond creating a software and putting a team on ground that enables the MSMEs to create processes that could produce high quality manufacturing output, that helps them with monitoring the progress on each of the projects. And third is with meeting standards that are accepted by OEMs. And here, this also took multiple iterations. When I started Karkhana.io, my focus was to solve for hardware prototyping, because all of us hear about how hard it is to prototype in India. And I was very influenced by some of the solutions that I saw working in the US as a prototyping marketplace. When I tried to build the similar solution in India, what I realized is that the prototyping itself is a very small and diverse market. So in order to scale and create a larger impact in manufacturing, we had to switch gears. And that's when we decided that it would make much more sense to develop a solution for mid-scale to large-scale production and use MSMEs as the backbone for the supply of, as a supplier ecosystem. Today, we have about 400 plus MSMEs who are able to access and have been exposed to thousands of manufacturing projects, over 90 plus OEMs in the country. And with that, we've been able to witness 20% month-on-month growth in the value that the MSMEs are able to deliver. Now here, what is important to acknowledge that there is a certain stage of digitalization that has been possible in the country, be it the India stack, be it mobile penetration, be it internet connectivity. It has been this infrastructure that has allowed us to imagine a future where we can digitalize 3,000 plus MSMEs over the next 3 years. And these MSMEs get access to demand from OEMs. They are able to simplify their processes and grow their business exponentially. This also, in turn, leads to creation of 10,000 new jobs and a value creation above 5,000 crores. Now imagine the true scale this could lead to if we could digitalize all the MSMEs in the country. I would like to conclude this by sharing a few learnings from my journey of building Karkhana.io. Number one, there are no shortcuts to solving hard problems. The problem that we have picked up of growing manufacturing capacity on the back of capability of MSMEs is a very large, hard problem. And to solve this, we had to put in tremendous amount of effort and time peeling the layers of the problem and getting to the core to understand where the value creation lies. And I believe to solve more such problems, there is not a way to avoid such effort and time. Second learning has been that there is no better time to solve locally and scale digitally to the globe. I chose a problem where I had experience of a certain sector and a certain part of the supply chain. But because of the penetration of digital technologies, we could scale that solution to multiple industries, to multiple regions, and to multiple products. And I believe we have only gotten started. And also the future that lies ahead and the opportunities that lie ahead because of this digitalization are endless.